Every time you see my ads, maybe you think, wow, I wish I could do this. Or maybe you want to join my pro course but you are not ready to commit. Or you are worried it will be too much. So here is the good news. You don't have to choose now between doing either nothing or diving all in. I know that feeling. You are curious but unsure. Maybe you have wasted money on courses before. Maybe you don't have months to spare, but that is exactly why I created DFIC Lite, a short, focused, zero-risk way to get started. In just 11 days, you will master one of the most powerful digital tools used by top design professionals worldwide: Adobe Photoshop for laptop users and Procreate for iPad users. The same tools I have used to deliver 5,000 plus illustrations and worked with over 20 luxury brands. DFIC Lite is a 2-week program with 11 carefully designed sessions. Inside you will learn every single tool, gesture and command in the software. We will learn difference between human anatomy and fashion figures, how to create croquis, faces and hairstyles, the concepts of lights and shadows, and how to render stunning casual wear illustrations. It's pre-recorded Netflix style, so you can watch anytime, anywhere, and you get lifetime access of the course. Plus, WhatsApp support during the course for all your doubts. Are you worried you can't draw? Don't worry, I will start from scratch. We will even learn how to draw a straight line. You only need 11 days. And another good news, you can upgrade to my DFIC Pro course anytime, and your light fee will be adjusted to that. So your investment is never wasted. With 200 plus projects delivered, 1,000 plus students taught, and years of experience with premium brands, I have refined a teaching style that makes learning easy, clear and fun. And my students, they are already creating work they never thought possible. The seats are limited and the current price won't last forever. Click the button below, secure your seat right now, and let's make your first digital illustration in the next 11 days together. See you in the course.